Hey, my friend, welcome back to State 48 Homeowner Podcast, where we provide valuable tips for Arizona homeowners. It's wintertime, and here in Arizona, we like to say that, well, we earn our winters by surviving our crazy summers. And a lot of homeowners do that with pools like this one, this beautiful home here on the shore of Saratoga Lake here in Dobson Ranch. But the summer turns to winter. What do we do with these pools and hot tubs? Joining us today is my friend Nate VerWoert, owner of True Lagoon Pools. And today, we're going to chat about how to take care of these pools in winter, as well as hot tub maintenance. And stick around until the end of the video, and Nate is going to share with us the top 3 mistakes to avoid with your pool or hot tub in the winter. And hey, if you like what you see today, give us a like. It really does make a difference. So let's dive into winter pools today on State 48 Homeowner.
Hi, I'm Kenny Klaus, and this is State 48 Homeowner.
A lot of us have pools just like this one, and many of us consider them to be survival gear for months of triple-digit heat. But summer turns to, well, kind of fall, and well, let's be honest, as summer turns to winter, what happens to our pools? Today I have with me Nate VerWoert, owner of True Lagoon Pools. So, Nate, Phoenix, we're not exactly known for our harsh winters. Not a lot of jackets going on. So do we really need to think about winter maintenance for our hot tubs and pools?
Yeah, absolutely, Scott. While we don't experience freezing temperatures like other parts of the country, your pool and hot tubs still need care during the winter. We use different types of chemicals in the winter opposed to the summertime. So typically, your hot tub is also getting a lot more use during that time. And we still need to keep an eye out for all the equipment that's running, and keeping everything in good condition is really key.
So that makes sense. So even though that we're not dealing with snow, there's still some important things to take care of. So let's break it down. Starting with pools, what should pool owners be doing to maintain their pools during the winter in here in the valley?
Yeah, well, first things first, Scott. Water balance is still crucial during the winter. Some of my clients forget about their pool when it's not being used, but that's really a big mistake. Here's kind of some key steps that I would follow. One, keeping your water circulating. Even if you're not swimming, it's important for your pool water to circulate. Run your pump at least 6 hours a day during the winter. Again, depending on the size of your pool and also the size of the pump. This helps prevent stagnation, reduces algae growth, and ensures proper filtration. Another big thing is cleaning your filter. Cartridge filters, they need to be cleaned at least every 6 months. DE filters, backwashed every 3 months and cleaned 1 time a year. And sand filters, they need to be backwashed at least once a month, and that sand needs to be changed every 5 years.
Now, what about the chemicals?
You're going to want to check your chemicals at least 1 time a week. Check your pool's pH, alkalinity, chlorine levels. Even in the wintertime, the water can cause chemical imbalances that lead to algae or scaling. Clean the debris out regularly. The cooler the weather, you might not have as many leaves falling into the pool, but that doesn't mean you can skip cleaning. So skimming, scooping out everything out of the pool, empty the skimmer basket and your pump baskets weekly.
All right, I know we tend to run up the power bills a little bit in the summer running these pumps. Can we reduce that a little bit in the winter?
It's all depending if you have a variable speed pump or a single speed pump. You can reduce the time, the run time of the pump, or change the schedule, which would be on a variable speed. Summertime, I like at least 8 to 10 hours of cleaning time. Winter, you can reduce it down to 6 hours. Again, this all depends on the size of the pool.
What about heated pools? Should the homeowners be doing anything different in the winter?
Yeah, that's a great question. During the wintertime, non-heated pools do not need chlorine tablets. The tablets will not disintegrate in that cold water. I use liquid chlorine to control my levels in the wintertime. Heated pools, on the other hand, in the wintertime are going to need tabs and liquid chlorine. I treat heated pools in the winter just like it was summer. Just remember, if you are heating your pool with a heater or a heat pump, your pool pump needs to run to heat that pool. And you will see an increase on your electric bill if you have a heat pump, or an increase on the gas bill plus the electric bill if you have a heater.
The Klaus team is different.
With the Klaus team, you have someone on your side. Where you live and make memories is important. We have more unique strategies than anyone else to help you accomplish what matters most to you. We can help you with traditional real estate as well as other options such as our lease purchase programs. We can help you buy first then sell, and we can bring you instant offers. We're here to help our neighbors achieve the American dream and help them build wealth through home ownership. For more info or to start your home search, visit us online at klausteam.com.
All right, let's switch gears. Let's talk about the hot tub. It's like the perfect time of year to run out there in the evening, have a nice beverage. What do homeowners need to know about hot tubs?
You're right. Hot tubs get a lot more use in the winter. Here are some top things to keep in mind for really good hot tub maintenance. Clean your filter cartridges regularly. The hot tub filter cartridges need regular cleaning, especially if you're using them more often during the winter. If you are using the hot tub on a regular basis, then I would check your cartridge filters probably every few weeks. If they need cleaning, use a high pressure nozzle attached to a garden hose just to get those cartridge filters cleaned. Also, your filter cartridges will wear out over time and they will need replacing. Again, check the water levels. Again, depending on how often you're using the hot tub, keeping that water chemistry balance, it can be tough. You will need to check and rebalance the water chemistry after each use. And then maintaining the right temperature. Keep your hot tub temperature between 100 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit for safe and comfortable use. If you aren't planning on using your hot tub for a while, you can lower that temperature down probably to around 80. That'll save you a lot on energy costs. Using a hot tub cover. A good hot tub cover will help retain the heat and keep debris out. Check your cover for wear and tear and replace if necessary. This can also save on energy costs by reducing how often your heater needs to kick in.
So what are some common mistakes that Arizona homeowners make with hot tubs and pools in the winter?
The biggest three mistakes that I've seen is ignoring your pool completely. And like we talked about in the wintertime, it still needs maintenance. You still need to check the water chemistry. You still have to clean the pool, even if you're not swimming in it. The second that I've seen is the DIYers or DIYers. Do it yourself without talking to a pool professional. It's a tough business. There's a lot that I've learned over the years, and just having a pool professional that you can text or reach out to whenever is really a great thing to have. The last thing is keeping up with your filters / draining your pool water. Like I said, filter cleanings, depending on the filter type, they need to be cleaned. They need to be replaced. Also draining the pool. Most of my pools, depending on if it's a chlorine pool or a salt pool, are drained every 2 to 3 years. And again, that's something you really want a pool professional to handle.
So thanks for all your wisdom, Nate. How, if people want to use you as their pool guy, how do they get a hold of you?
You can go to our website at TrueLagoonPools.com. Also, our email address, TrueLagoonPools@gmail.com, or give us a call. I answer all the phone calls. It's 480-773-0037.
Thanks so much for being on the podcast.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to dive into more valuable content like this. And don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all of our latest content as we release new videos every week. And if you have any questions about winter pool maintenance or hot tub maintenance, drop those in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week on State 48 Homeowner. Go make it a great day.
Thanks for spending time with us this week at State 48 Homeowner, the ins and outs of owning an Arizona home. You can connect with us for more information, submit topics you'd like us to further discuss. You can see relevant videos, give us feedback, answer your real estate questions, and more at state48homeowner.com.